Baby, you put the roly-poly down.
No, up again.
Sa ko kanina si Kuya Bon eh.
Wow.
O, kamusta po sila?
FaceTime na kami, hindi na Skype.
Wait.
Oh, FaceTime na.
Wait.
Oo. Sama daw kami. June 30, July. Kasama kayo.
Go eat, Charlie.
Okay, magre-rest na the roly-poly, ha?
You ask Olivia, what's that?
Just leave it there so they can see, okay? So that they can see it moving.
Paano yan? Parang ito?
Oo pa.
Kasi, ang ganda kung maano ito. Kasi baka pumain. Wala bang pakpakyan?
Wala.
Parang siyang centipede na punggok. Oy, there, it's a ball now. Yan o, nagiging bola. Oops. What happened? Kaya lang sobrang stress na. Okay, we're gonna say bye-bye, roly-poly.
No, bye-bye, roly-poly.
It has to rest
Good night
already.
na roly-poly. Pagod na.
Come on, tomorrow again, we'll look for a roly-poly tomorrow.
Wow, they came bubble.
Yeah, it became a ball. Because it's
Sleeping na,
hiding
tired
already. See, it's tired already. Hmm?
Yeah. Wake up. Wake up.
Bumuka kasi. Sabi niya, wake up. Okay, good night, roly-poly.
Wake up. Wake up, roly-poly.
Kaya, bakit? What's that baby?
Here, we'll just open the whole thing. Wait, we'll just open it.
Where's the roly-poly?
There, oh.
Nakita mo niya? Yun. Kita mo? Nakita mo, nak? Ayun na.